Are you still sending WhatsApp alert to your leads manually and you want to get rid out of this problem? Don't worry, I have got you covered. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect LinkedIn to WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So the objective is very simple. Whenever someone applies on my LinkedIn lead ads, then automatically the moment user will share their detail, one instant WhatsApp alert message will be sent to each user's account that dynamically includes their provided details. So yes, this is the exact automation we are going to build in this video. Now without wasting any time, let's start creating this workflow from the scratch. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. In this page on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I just want to share something extremely valuable with you. If you also want to do this type of amazing automation for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here, after doing the sign in process, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. Here you can see your task allotted, your task consume, your task remaining and the free task consume. You can also create folder in your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option and enter the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. After that, you just have to click on this create button. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. After that, it will ask me to select the workflow builder while providing me two types of workflow builder, name as new beta and the classic version. I am creating this workflow with the help of new beta version, so I will select this. Next, I am entering the workflow name as connect LinkedIn to WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. After that, I am selecting the folder as Pabbly Connect. Next, I will click on this create button and see our workflow is created successfully. Now, this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever someone applies on my LinkedIn lead ads, then automatically one instant alert will be sent to my user's WhatsApp account. So for that, I am going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn. After selecting the application, the app event I am going to select as lead notifications. Next, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here, I am going to make a new connection. So I will click on this add new connection. Next, I will click on this connect with LinkedIn. Then done the sign in process and see how easily your LinkedIn account is going to be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. After that, the sponsored account I am going to select as Pabbly's ads accounts, as this is the account that I am using right now. Next one is the response format with three quick options, name as simple, advanced and raw. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. If you want to receive a response in advanced format like a structured data, flattened key values or an array, then you will select this option. And when you choose the option as raw, then you will receive the exact JSON response that you will receive from the webhook. Here I am selecting the response format as simple. Next, I will click on the save and send test request part. See, it is waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am going to take you to my LinkedIn campaign manager. See, this is my LinkedIn campaign manager where I am already running one ad by the name of Pabbly Connect. So I am clicking on it. Now I am going to apply on this ad and this lead form is going to be appear in front of you. Here I want you to know that I have designed this lead form in a default setup. That's why the first name, last name and company name is coming like this. That is Pabbly, full stop and magnet brains. But when you do this setup, you have to enter these data manually. After entering test email address and phone number, I am clicking on the submit button and see the information is submitted successfully. Now I am going to show you the workflow. Here you have to wait for a few seconds. See, I have received a new response that includes all the leads that I have entered while applying on the ad. But the first name, last name and the company name is coming as default, that is Pabbly, full stop, and the company name is Magnet Beans. As I already explained you about this earlier, as we have received the response, this means that our LinkedIn account is successfully connected to our Pabbly Connect account and that setup of our trigger application is completed. After that, I am moving forward to the action application, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So for that, I am clicking on this plus option and selecting the action application as Pabbly Pabbly chat flow. After selecting the application, the app event, I'm going to select send text message. Next, I will click on this connect button. After that, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here I'm going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. Next, it will ask me to enter the token. So for getting this token, I'm going to take you to my Pabbly chat flow account. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly chat flow. Now what is Pabbly chat flow? So Pabbly chat flow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now for getting this token, you just have to click on the settings option and click on this API and webhooks, and here you will see your API token. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the token, you just have to click on the save button, and then you will see how easily your Pabbly chat flow account is going to be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now in this recipient mobile number field, I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing each user's data dynamically, mapping is used. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this WhatsApp mobile number field, I'm going to do the mapping of phone number from this response. So see, this is how easily you can do the mapping. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time when a new lead is applied on your LinkedIn lead ads, then this number will change dynamically and the user will receive message on their specific number. So yes, this is how it works. Next, in this WhatsApp message field, I'm going to enter the message that I want to send to the users. Here I have entered, that is hello, thank you for showing interest through our LinkedIn forms. Here's are the details we have received. Now after this hello, I want my user's first name. So for that, I am again doing the mapping from the previous response. The process of doing mapping is the same. Here I am mapping the first name as Pabbly. As I told you earlier, the form is created in a default setup. That's why the first name and last name is coming like this. But you have to make sure that in this place you have to map the real data that you were received from the previous application. After mapping the first name as Pabbly, and now in front of this name field, I'm going to do the mapping of full name, that is Pabbly, and the full stop. Here I mapped. After that, in front of this company name, I'm doing the mapping of company name, that is Man-Made Brains. Next, the email address. After that, the mobile number. Here I have mapped. See, I entered this message content as a test example, but because my objective is just only to teach you that how you can do the automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can customize this message completely based on your own choice. After that, these are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank and clicking on the save and send test request button. But before clicking on this button, I want you to know that here I have mapped the test number, and sending a message to a test number is not possible. So for that, I'm removing this number from here. I'm going to enter my number manually, just only to send the test data. But you have to make sure that in this field you have to map the data from the previous application. It is very important step, and make sure that the number will include the country code without plus sign. After entering my number manually, I am clicking on the save and send test request button, and see I have received the positive response such as status as success and messages sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, automatically I received a new message that includes my first name as a Pabbly and full name as Pabbly and full stop, company name, email address, and the phone number. Completely personalized, exactly same that I have entered in this WhatsApp message field. And in this step, I also want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As we have received the message, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. And not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications using Pabbly Connect. If you want me to create a separate video of any other application integration, then comment it below. I will create a tutorial on it too. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.